We want to win this game. Unforced mistakes. We're not going to make mistakes and kill ourselves. Penalties are atrocious offensively. We're not going to do that. We're not going to beat ourselves, as well as pass interference and those stupid calls defensively. We will run the football. We ran it last week. We will run the football. I think we have some of the best backs in the nation, and we can't even display them because we haven't been able to run. But we will run the football, and we will stop the run. We will win the turnover battle. This guy turns the ball over. Their team turns the ball over. We will win that battle. We will eliminate big plays due to bust defensively. No one just lines up and just beats us. We do something stupid to inflict pain on ourselves because we're busting, because no one knows what the heck, not no one. Many of you don't know what you're doing when you get out there. We're going to solve that because we're not going to put you out there. Offensively, no drop balls. No drop balls. Do your job, and there's coaches included. Everybody's going to do their job, and here there's me included as well. No special team foolishness and no missed field goals. No special team foolishness and no missed field goals. We will win. We will win. We will win the first and second quarter. We will win the first and second quarter. We will play fast and physical. Coach talked about being hydrated. We're going to get off all the other stuff and get back on the water and hydrate, because those guys are not in the condition that we're in. So when we play fast and we play physical, we will win. Players that we count on, we need to count on you winning each play. We don't have 11 players that we automatically know what we're going to get on each side of the ball. We may have 4 or 5, but that 4 or 5 that we have, that we count on, we need you to be you. And that starts in practice, not just in the game. That starts in practice. Okay? We're going to exceed expectations. We're expected to win this game. We're going to exceed that. That means be dominant. We're expected to win this game, and we're going to be dominant. Expectation, a strong belief that something will happen or be in the case of the future. I don't know what the expectation they have of you, but I want you to focus on the expectation you have of yourself. And that's where people go left. You so worried about what other people expect of you, and you lessen the expectation you have of yourself. I want you to expect some mighty things of yourself. I want you to expect some great things of yourself. When you're in the classroom, you should expect some great things. When you're at home with your parent, you should act great and expect some great things. On this field, you should expect some great things and propel yourself to the next level. But forget the expectations others have of you. What are the expectations you have of yourself? You want to be dominant, expect that, and it starts on the practice field. It starts in studying. It starts in preparation. But I'm tired of sitting up here trying to encourage you and motivate you to be who you already should be. Be that. Be that. And let's start today. I expect you to be dominant. What do you expect? Let's go get it.
You good, bro? Man, good to have you here, man. You already know. You already know.
Yeah, back in the building, man. Hey, listen. I flew. We was just in Vegas. I'm not missing this for nothing. No
nothing
fight.
in the world.
The only thing I was missing for is my daughter. That's it.
Now we got to know something. USC is in town.
Yeah.
10 million plus gonna view it.
Yeah, they here.
They all gonna be looking for one thing. Not Shador, not Caleb. They gonna be looking to see.
If that back foot's out. Because I told you like last week, we here. Listen, man, we're not neutral, we true to it. Look around. Look around. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. That's all I'm saying.
What's up, fam? Hey, this is my man, Coach Carl Reed, Lou Young. What's up, family? You good?
I ain't gonna rack my mind and rack my brain trying to find something that's prolific and profound to encourage you and motivate you. Today they ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna sit up here and make eye contact with you to try to convince you to go do what you're gifted to do. Today, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna ask you to look your brother in the eye and hold him and guide him and lead him and hold him accountable. Today, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna get mad, I ain't gonna yell, I ain't gonna scream, I ain't gonna try to provoke y'all to go to the next level. Today, I ain't gonna do it. To tell you, that you got to eliminate turnovers. You got to eliminate penalties. That you got to play fundamentally sound on defense. And you got to move the guard on offense. Today, I ain't gonna do it. I want y'all to motivate me. I want y'all to have my back. I want y'all to get me on. I want y'all to get me right. I want y'all to get me going. Because you know I got yours. But today, I ain't gonna do it. It's your turn. You show me what you want. You said you wanted this. Show me you want it. You said you needed this. Show me you need it. You say, Mama, need an opportunity to come out the hood. Show me that she gonna come. But today they ain't gonna do it. It's on y'all. Since it's on y'all, give me my theme music.
Today's matchup features the visiting USC Trojans and your Colorado Buffalo. Please direct your attention to midfield for today's coin toss.
Heads, tails. Is it across heads? It is tails. We're going to defer. Colorado has won the toss and elected to defer.